Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my collection of bronzers. The first one I'm going to pull out is the Maybelline Master Contour Stick. It's in the shade 02 Medium. This is a highlight and a contour stick. It's very creamy and it's very easy to apply. The next one is the Maybelline Master Sculpt in the shade 01 Light Medium. This is a powder. I either use it on its own or I use it on top of a cream. Now this one is by a brand that's not very well known. It's called Loreal Cosmetics. It's a HD foundation stick in the shade medium. Now I actually use this as a contour or a bronzer. I really like it. It applies beautifully. They are quite pricey, but they're well worth it and they'll last a long time, guys. So I suggest you check them out. I will link everything down below as well. This next one is a Loreal Cosmetics. It's in the shade Aloha or Aloha. It's a cream bronzer and it is really nice. It's one of my favourites that I've come across so far. Applies so seamlessly to the skin, beautifully, blends in so well, and it's the best that I've come across cream wise for bronzing. So I will link it down below. This is another Loreal one in the exact same shade that I have in my collection. I got two of them out of the glossy box, one after the other, so that's how I have two of them in my collection. This next one is Hoola Benefit. It's the matte powder bronzer for face. This next one is Hoola Light by Benefit. It's a light powder bronzer for face. This next one is MUA Makeup Academy Bronzed Perfection Shimmer, and it's in the shade Sahara Sunlight. This is a really glittery one. To be honest with you, I've tried it once. I have to be fair, I have to try it a lot more to find out exactly what it's like. This next one is by Revolution, Makeup Revolution bronzer, and it's in the shade Bronzer Kiss. I've used this once, I really liked it, but I definitely need to give it another go. This is a Lasting Finish Mineral Powder by Rimmel London. This is a really old one in my collection. Probably one of the first ever ones that I got. It's in the shade 401 Amber. The last one in my collection is by Makeup Revolution, Baked Bronzer in the shade Rock On World.